Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to earn passive income with your phone using the Coin app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, you have to sign up for Coin and you have to start using the Coin app. I have a few videos on that if you want to learn about getting coins and redeeming cryptos or any other rewards in the app. But right now we are going to focus on how to earn passive income with the app, which is the background rewards function, which means that your phone, if you are signed up to Coin, is always generating a passive income, passive rewards, just by having the Coin app on your phone. As you can see, background rewards, I received 1.88 coins. And here is a little description for this reward. You have been away for 2.7 days and collected rewards in the background for 4% of that time period. Use the app to recharge background rewards. And you just have to tap on collect, and as you can see on the top of the screen, I just received 1.88 coins. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.